Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to be looking at changing an improper fraction into a mixed number. Now, to demonstrate, we are going to be using these three examples, so feel free to pause the video and try them out before I show you how to change these improper fractions into mixed numbers. Now, with that said, let's take a look at the first fraction. How do I change 5/4 into a mixed number? Now, the first thing you need to do is to ask yourself, how many times does 4 go into 5? So to demonstrate, let's make 5 dots. Okay, so the question was, how many times does 4 go into 5? So we cancel 4 dots here. And then we say 1. But now, after cancelling 4 dots, we have 1 remainder here. So, again, if you are to ask yourself, how many times does 4 go into 5? We say 1. So we write one whole number here because it's 1. And then you ask yourself, is there any remainder? Yes. There is a remainder of 1. So 1 dot was left. That becomes our new numerator. And then the denominator stays the same. So it will stay a 4. And just like that, you have just changed this improper fraction into a mixed number. Okay? Now before we check the two other examples, how are you finding this video so far? Is it helpful? If yes, do give us a huge thumbs up, as that helps our channel to grow. Now with that said, we move on to the next example, which is 12/5. How do we change this into a mixed number? Again, you ask yourself, how many times does 5 go into 12? So to demonstrate, we make 12 dots, and then we cancel 5. The first 5, we label that as 1, and then we cancel the second 5, we label that as 2, and then we have a remainder of 2. So now when we ask how many times does 5 go into 12, we say twice. So we write a 2 there, which is a whole number, and then what is the remainder? How many dots are left? We have 2. So we write 2 as a numerator there, and then the denominator always stays the same, so we write 5. And just like that, we have just changed this fraction into a mixed number. Now with that said, let's take a look at the next example, which is 15/4. Now the process is the same. We ask ourselves, how many times does 4 go into 15? We make 15 dots here, and then we cancel out 4 dots. We cancel out another 4, and then another 4. Now here we have 3 left that can't complete a 4, right? So they become the remainder. Now when we ask that question again to say how many times does 4 go into 15, that will be 3 times. And then what is the remainder? It's 3. So that becomes our numerator, and then the denominator always stays the same, so it will be 4. So that's the final answer. Or rather, that is this improper fraction changed into a mixed number. Now with that said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe, share with family, friends, and classmates. Cheers.